This 4-bedroom townhouse is the best bargain in the Aja area at $60 million. Located in a gated area on Mobile Road, Illinois, this townhouse was built in 2021 and was recently renovated. It has a living area of 200 square meters divided into 2 floors, with the first floor featuring a kitchen, a pantry, a guest bedroom and living room. The second floor has 3 other bedrooms and a family lounge and a sizable balcony. With a perfect blend of contemporary design and comfort, this home offers ample space for your family to thrive.